Hi viewers, welcome to my classes. In this Getting an Extra Edge series, all of you know, I am discussing Advanced Question Paper 2020 solutions. Today in this series, we are going to discuss a question given in Progressions chapter. Look at this question. So this is an integer answer type which carries 4 marks and no negative marks. So definitely everybody must attempt this. Look at this question. What is the examiner mind in this question? So given let A1, A2, A3 is a sequence of positive integers. They are an arithmetic progression with common difference 2. And B1, B2, B3 are sequence of positive integers which are in geometric progression with common ratio 2. So A1 equal to B1 equal to C given. So that means clearly first term of AP is given and common difference 2 is given. So clearly first term of GP is given and common ratio C is given. So he is asking number of all possible values of C. That means C is a variable. He is asking how many number of possible values are there for which one equality is given. 2 into A1 plus A2 and so on AN equal to B1 plus B2 and so on Vn. This equality holds good for some positive integer n. That means you have to find the value of C such that this equation is satisfied. So clearly for AP first term is given and common difference is given. For GP first term is given and common ratio is given. So now this is nothing but, if you closely observe, sum of first n terms of AP and this is nothing but sum of first n terms of GP. All of you know the sum of first n terms of AP. This is a very simple problem. So what is the sum of first n terms of AP? I will write the concept here. So this is n is the number of terms and then A is first term and D is common difference. So this is AP. This is AP. And then for GP, what is the formula for it? Sum of first n terms. So A into R power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. A is the first term of GP and R is the common ratio of GP. Now look at, so 2 into, this equation is there. So just simply write the sum of first n terms. 2 into, direct problem it is, n by 2 into first term is what? 2 into A1. A1 is what? C plus n minus 1 into common difference is what? 2. So this is nothing but, this is sum of first n terms of GP. Here first term is what? B1, that is given C. That means here A is what? C into 2 power n minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. So now, so this is the equation given. Now what you have to calculate? Number of all possible values of C. Let us calculate C. Now C terms all bring that side. So this side non-C terms equal that side all C terms. What you will get? C terms here. C terms are 2n. That means you will get 2 power n minus of 2n plus 1. Minus of 2n plus 1. So therefore, what you are getting the C value? Simply 2n into n minus 1 divided by 2 power n minus 2n plus 1. So this is the C value. Now in the question given that It is a sequence of positive integers. So C is what? First term. Therefore, n is always natural number because n is what? Number of terms. So that is natural number, and C is what? C is natural number. C is also natural number. So now calculate what are the values for C you will get. Suppose let us say n equal to 1. By trial and error method we will proceed. C n equal to 1 means C equal to 0, it is not possible because C is a natural number. That value is not allowed. So suppose n equal to 2 is there, what you will get? So n equal to 2 is there means what you will get? 2 into 2, 4. 4 divided by, this is 4 minus 3. So minus 4, this is also not integer. So that is not allowed. Like that, by trial and error we will proceed. So suppose n equal to 3 is there. N equal to 3 means what you will get? 2 into 3 into 2 divided by, so this is 8 minus 7. That means you are getting 12, which is a natural number. So that value is allowed. So C can take the value 12. Suppose n equal to 4 if you substitute, you will get 2 into 4 into 3 divided by 16 minus 9. That means you will get 24 divided by 7, which is not a natural number. So that is not allowed. You can check one more value. N equal to 5 if you substitute, you will get 2 into 5 into 4 divided by 2 power 5 is 32 minus 11. That means what you will get? So 20 into 2, 40 divided by 21. So this is not permissible value. This is not a natural number. Like that, if you take any value greater than 5 also, you won't get any value. So therefore, how many values of C are possible? Answer is not 12. Suppose if he asks the value of C, that is 12. He is asking number of all possible values of C. Therefore, number of possible values of C equal to 1. That value is C equal to 12. If he asks the value C, then 12 is the answer. He is asking number of all possible values of C. Therefore, one value is possible. Look at, for asking this question, what is the examiner mind is simply whether you know the formula of n terms of AP, n terms of GP, then you can apply directly this step. Everybody can be able to do this, right? After that, C value calculating is the problem. So after that, C value you will calculate here. C value must be calculated, and then you have to identify that this statement. So sequence of positive integers, and first term is what? C. Therefore, from the question you have to get the idea that C is a natural number. C is a natural number means n is a natural number. That means if you substitute a value of n, he has given holds for some positive integer n. That means if n is substituted a natural number, C must also be what? Natural number. Such type of n you have to take. If you take n equal to 1, you are not getting natural number. N equal to 2, you are not getting natural number. N equal to 3, you are getting natural number. That means for n equal to 3, C value is what? 12. For the remaining n values, you are not getting any integer value of C. This is a very simple example. So these type of problems, simple problems, you have to do with utmost accuracy. Then only you are able to score good marks in JEE Advanced. Tough problems, most of the students will make mistake. For these type of problems, without any panicking, just you get the idea from the problem and then solve clearly by taking the time. Maybe half minute more, but You must get accurate answer. Okay. So I hope you like this video. Another question is there on progressions. I will do it in the next video. Please subscribe my channel and like my channel, and forward to your friends also, such that they can also make benefit of this channel. So this channel is completely for the use of students only, without any benefit. I am doing these videos. So please do carefully all the chapters, and then after that you do previous IIT questions. You make a habit of that. Then what you will get is creative ideas you will get. Okay, no? Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.